Are you guys hungry? Or always hungry? Huh? No fighting. No fighting. Go, buddy. Eat some food. That's your dinner. So eat a lot, okay? Kakit ay. So these chicks is, they ran out of food for I think about an hour ago. Yeah, so we kinda late to check them because we are so busy doing stuff inside the house. And also it's so freezing cold. Yeah, so as you can see, they looks starving. Like always, even though they have a lot of food. You know what I mean, guys? See, no fighting, guys. No fighting, okay? Share food, okay? My goodness. Actually, guys, these chicks, we have them for more than a month now. We bought them. They were super duper tiny. But look at them now. They look so big and looks like their feathers is complete. Is everybody happy? Huh? Is everybody happy now that you guys can eat? Huh? You guys are acting like you didn't eat today. Actually, guys, they eat already. But this is their dinner. Look at that. Guys, no fighting, okay? Be kind. Be nice to each other, okay? Where's Billy Kemp? I don't know which one Billy Kemp there. I think he's down there. Guys, what's wrong? My goodness, slow down. Drink some water. You guys might choke. Chew your food. They're like, what the heck is she talking about? Okay, drink water, guys. Drink water. Don't get choked, okay? Guys, I haven't named any of these yet, but Kevin named one of them. Named Billy Kemp, the Alpha. But I don't know what to name them. It's kind of hard to give them a name. Look at them. I think that one, that chicken, this one, I think I'm gonna name her Aunt May. Yeah, from her from the, what's that TV show? My goodness. OP and, oh my goodness, I forgot the TV show. With OP and, oh my gosh, Han, what's that? My favorite TV show, Gani here with Aunt May. What's that? My favorite TV show, Gani here with Aunt May in OP. Yeah, Andy Griffith Show. Yeah, I'm gonna name her Aunt May. Aunt May. Andy Griffith Show. That is my favorite TV show here. I love that show. Okay, you guys still not done eating? Huh? Hey, buddy, you wanna drink some water? Go drink water. Are you full? Oh, look at that. Oh, she's dancing. Did you see that, guys? She's dancing with her neck. Go eat some more. Oh my goodness. You know what, guys? Kevin told me that they were so pathetic when they're asking for food. Yeah, they sounds pathetic. Even though now they've been eating for maybe like 10 minutes already, but still they sounds pathetic. You guys, we are feeding you now, so be nice, okay? B sounds happy. Nobody's talking to me here. Hey, I'm here. Does anybody know I'm here? Say hi to me. See? He say hi. Hi. I think that's Billy Kim. There you go, Billy Kim. Don't get choked, Billy Kim. Drink some water. Okay, drink some water. Oh, are you full? Did you guys hear that? He burped. Did you guys hear chicken burp? Oh my gosh. I wish you guys hear that. He burped. Billy Kim burp. Is that right, Billy Kim? Huh? Did you guys done eating? They're not done eating yet. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go back before dark, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy your meal. And don't fight. Okay? Be nice to each other, okay? I'll be back. Okay? Okay, guys. While we feed the chicken, I'm here start my fire. See that? That's a big fire, isn't it? So here's my garden. As you can see, that's Sir Kevin's garden, the hillbilly garden, and here's my garden. So Kevin, he already removed the fence and the post. You see that? So now we'll start to get ready this. I am super duper duper excited to start my garden. So the plan is half of this is my garden and half of it, because guys, this is so big. Yeah, this is like 100 feet, 1 by 100. I don't know, I don't know. Yeah, but it's big though. So half of it is my garden and half of it it's I'm gonna plant lots of flowers here. Yeah, lots of flowers, like spring flowers, for summer flowers, and for fall flowers. Yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, it's a beautiful evening here. Time now it's like almost 6 p.m. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time for more. Bye bye. Okay guys, let's check the chickens if they eat all their dinner. Okay, how are you guys? Are you guys full now? Huh? Is everybody full? Oh wow, they eat a lot. Look at that. That was like half full, you know that? Wow. Okay guys, you guys looks like full. I hope you sleep good tonight. Good night.